Body, you know we never sober. Once we step on the floor, you know we take it over. Hands up in the air, we on a roller coaster.
Let's set this place on fire!
Saturday, January 29th, Roxari presents Give It All You Got, hosted by the beautiful Ultimate Ring Card Girl, Ariani, at Replay Lounge and Grill. Come as we celebrate Roxari's Chester's Long Boys B-Day Bash. Doors open at 10 p.m. It's a strictly 21 and over event. 2 rooms to party in with DJ Mike, DJ Silk, DJ Damage, BIS's own DJ Eric G. January 29th, come meet the Ultimate Ring Card Girl, Ariani, at Replay Lounge and Grill. Also celebrating the birthdays of Lydia Trejo, BIS third generation David and Bruce Velasco. This event is brought to you by Vuku Vodka, Trans Custom, Collected Clothing, Joseph Gomez Photography, Fino's Menswear, Keyless Enterprise, and Insane Mexican Productions. For pre-sale tickets or VIP bottle service, call 661-900-9126, 900-9126, or go to roxari.com. That's ROXXARI.com.